Cappuccino MCT reviews. As we have a tendency to all understand having low is relaxation and that we create it enclosed in our daily routine. The simplest profit is that drinking can reduce in an exceedingly delicious means. Cappuccino MCT may be a special delicious slimming occasional that helps you to lose excess fat during a tasty approach by burning fat from your body. What is Cappuccino MCT? It accelerates the burning of calories and reduces fat storage to produce lean muscle mass. It's easy to prepare with 100% natural. Prevents fat accumulation, feels satiate once meals, shapes your body, easy to organize. How the Cappuccino MCT works effectively. How the Cappuccino MCT works effectively. The Cappuccino MCT works with the most effective grade of clinically tested ingredients. It's the mixture of MCT oil and natural occasional that enriches it as bulletproof occasional since the results square measure superb. How to use Cappuccino MCT. The occasional is easy and simple to organize. You'll be able to simply place 3 full scoops of powder into the glass and pour 150 ml of heat or cold water and stir it for 30 seconds. Ingredients enclosed within the Cappuccino MCT coffee. MCT oil. It accelerates the fat burning method of your body on a low carb diet and reduces fat storage by increasing the sensation of fullness. Inulin. It's a natural prebiotic that may support regular healthy internal organ movements with improved viscous microflora. Guarana. It improves metabolism since it contains 20-second caffeine and reduces fat accumulation. Garcinia cambogia. It curbs hunger cravings and maintains a traditional fat level within the blood. Chromium. It stimulates metabolism and maintains traditional glucose levels. Caffeine. This helps to enhance your mood and concentration, increase physical performance, and reduces fatigue throughout exercises. Arabica and Robusta low. This good combination of low beans makes the delicious style of coffee. Ida alg. It's the mix of algae extract and grapeseed extract. It inhibits enzymes and reduces abdominal fat and visceral fat. It's the mix of algae extract and grapeseed extract. It inhibits enzymes and reduces abdominal fat and visceral fats. It inhibits the hunger craving. It accelerates the fat burning. It helps to keep up the traditional blood fat level and maintains the blood glucose level. Conclusion. To finish up the review, the Cappuccino MCT is at the best and attractive thanks to thin will not dynamic your routine. It's a straightforward, discover this product in the description below. Discover this product in the description below.